what exactly are basis points and why are they being used? It would make sense to instead use, percentages that we all know how to calculate. But basis points, which seems more confusing, is actually more simple and it actually avoids confusion. Let me explain. Firstly, we have to understand that 100 basis points are equal to 1%. Now, to explain this, I'm going to give you guys an example. Let's say there is an interest rate of 10% and I say that the interest rate is increasing by 1%. So there are two ways this can be interpreted. The first way this can be interpreted would be if someone says 10% plus 1% is equal to 11%. The second way this could be interpreted is if someone assumes I meant 1% of 10%. That would mean that 10 plus 1 is equal to 10.1%. Now, to avoid this confusion and to avoid the need to explain in detail what I mean, we use basis points in the world of finance. Let's assume example A is true and I meant to say the new interest rate is 11%. In this example, I would say the interest rate increased by 100 basis points. Now let's go back to example B and let's assume example B is true and I meant to say the new interest rate would be 10.1%. In this example, I would say that the interest rate increased by 10 basis points.